Hello guys, today I want to show you in the results. So yesterday I already posted video that one I uploaded on YouTube. So how to code, how to make to like this image, to giving how to giving the styles, to background image, to giving the widths and the heights exactly like this. So and then also, and I showed you box models. So this is the new box models to give in the good borders, and then put the text in the centers, then give the font styles, font size, and font family, then to make exactly perfect website to build. Then also this one we already learning how to do it. So if guys you don't know, if you are new here, go to watching my previous videos. So you are going to find how to change the text colors and then how to change the size. So you are going to find. And then so guys, in my yesterday video, so it, and how we make like this, right? And how we did like this, it's look perfect, right? So in this way you are going to become a master in HTML, to become a master in CSS, to become a full stack developer in front end, right? And then you are going to find a good job, right? So this is the results. So guys, if you are new here, go to watch my videos. So to see you in my next tutorials.